Okay, the last piece that we need to go over for forming our verbs is the infinitive. So, this is the present active infinitive. Now, in English, an infinitive is 2 plus a verb. In other languages, the infinitive is oftentimes just a single word. You find that in Spanish, you find that in French and Latin, and also Greek. So, what we do is, so we've got luo, right? Loosen. If we want to explicitly say to loosen, like I want to loosen, we have to take off our omega ending and we add our infinitive ending. Whoops. Okay. We add ain. Okay? So this here is explicitly to loosen. There is no person associated with it. There is no number associated with it. There is tense and voice associated with it, but in this case, it's to loosen, as opposed to a passive infinitive, which would be to be loosened. So the way we're going to see this function for now is we're going to see it as a complementary infinitive. So this would mean that it's complementing another word. So, for example, a fellow, that's a really good one to do. This is I want. Okay? You can want individual things, but you can also want to do certain actions. So, I can say a fellow again tus loose. I want to lead. And notice we have to have this infinitive form here going with a fellow in order to say I want to lead. We cannot say a fellow ago. That does not work. So I want to lead the oxen being in the accusative, going with again. You can also use another word. We can use phileo, which we have not gone over. If you go over contract verbs, this is technically a contract verb. So the present active would be philo. And then we pair it with a word, maybe bino. I want to walk binane. And then pros tone grown. I want to walk towards the field.